Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we have a little bit of a bounce in prices overnight. Beans up about 4 cents. Corn maybe up 1 to 2 cents and wheat up about 3 cents. All kind of looking at different fundamentals. In the beans, we're guessing that Brazil harvest is about 70, maybe 75% done. Continue to talk about record yields. There is talk about maybe a couple of strikes, one in Brazil, maybe one in Argentina. But so far this year, those types of things have not disrupted either harvest or the movement of the beans. Cash beans basis here in the United States have dropped pretty dramatically. Some in locations 10-year lows, and it suggests that futures still are too high and that demand might start slowing, both because of the big South American crops and because China may be slowing some of their import demand. So beans might still test support around the 990 area in the May beans. 1010 seems to be resistance as we go into the end of the month USDA report. Lack of farmer selling is probably helping the corn market inch up a little bit, but farmers expected to show that they have a record amount of corn as of March 1 on the end of the month stocks. And even though they're showing estimates of lower acres to be planted in 2017, a normal yield should offer some resistance overhead in the marketplace. And in the wheat, kind of a tale of three issues. Number one, the western part of the southern plains is dry. As the month progresses, a lot of the U.S. hard red winter wheat areas should get some rain. And then we'll see down the road if the National Weather Service is right. And as we get into the late spring, summer, we see normal to above temps and normal to below precip for much of the southern third of the United States. Corn planting started in the south and should pick up pace if we can see warmer temps across the Midwest. Seems like, though, for the latter part of March and early April, we might have a wetter than normal condition, which could delay plantings. Outside markets still kind of feeling around after the Fed increased rates, trying to figure out what U.S. policy is going to be as far as tax reform is concerned and things like that. The dollar was lower. Now it's pulling up a little bit. Crude continues to push lower because of too much supply. And so we'll see as we go into the report on March 31st where prices are. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.